Scalability, or the ability to handle a high volume of transactions efficiently, is a crucial aspect of any successful payment system. The traditional blockchain, while revolutionary in its decentralized nature, has its limitations when it comes to scaling. Bitcoin, for instance, can process around 7 transactions per second, which pales in comparison to the thousands of transactions per second processed by major payment networks like Visa. This limitation not only leads to slower confirmation times, but also results in higher transaction fees during peak periods of network congestion. This is where Lightning Network comes into play. The Lightning Network is a second-layer payment protocol that enables fast and cheap transactions on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. To understand the significance of the Lightning Network, it is important to understand the limitations of the traditional blockchain. As cryptocurrencies gained momentum and adoption surged, the blockchain's scalability bottleneck became increasingly evident. The more transactions attempted to be processed on-chain, the slower the confirmation times, and the higher the transaction fees. This scalability challenge posed a significant hindrance to mass adoption, making cryptocurrency use less practical for day-to-day transactions. The Lightning Network addresses these scalability issues by allowing users to transact directly with each other off-chain without having to rely on the Bitcoin blockchain for every transaction. This is done through a network of payment channels, which are essentially two-way payment agreements between two parties. Once a payment channel is established, users can send and receive payments through the channel without having to broadcast them to the blockchain. This makes transactions much faster and cheaper than on-chain transactions. To use the Lightning Network, you first need to create a payment channel with another user. This is done by creating a multi-signature wallet on the blockchain and depositing a certain amount of cryptocurrency into it. The blockchain records the initial and total balances of the channel. Once you have created a payment channel, you can transact with the other user as often as you want. To do this, you simply sign a new transaction that reflects the updated balance between you. This new transaction is not immediately broadcasted to the blockchain, but is instead kept off-chain and only known to you and the other user. This process significantly reduces the transaction time and fees since the main blockchain is not involved for every payment. When you are finished transacting with the other user, you can close the payment channel by broadcasting the final transaction to the blockchain. This transaction will update the balances of the two wallets on the blockchain and finalize the payments that have been made through the channel. The Lightning Network offers numerous advantages that address some of the most pressing issues in the world of cryptocurrencies. First and foremost, let's talk about speed. Traditional on-chain transactions can take several minutes or even hours to be confirmed, depending on network congestion. With the Lightning Network, transactions occur in a matter of seconds, providing near instantaneous settlements. This opens up exciting possibilities for real-world applications, such as point-of-sale transactions and online payments, where speed is critical. Next, let's discuss transaction fees. Traditional on-chain transactions can incur significant fees, especially during periods of high network activity. The Lightning Network allows for microtransactions, enabling you to send even the smallest amounts of cryptocurrency economically. This feature has profound implications for content creators, artists, and developers who can now be compensated for their work in fractions of cryptocurrency. Additionally, the reduced load on the main blockchain leads to less congestion, freeing up network resources for other activities. Consequently, this contributes to increased scalability and improved overall efficiency in the crypto ecosystem. Now that we understand how the Lightning Network works and its benefits, let's explore its implementation in the real world. Several cryptocurrencies have embraced the Lightning Network and integrated it into their protocols, such as Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Stellar. Bitcoin, being the pioneer in this area, has a robust Lightning Network implementation, with a growing number of nodes and channels. Furthermore, popular wallets and platforms have recognized the potential of the Lightning Network and incorporated it into their services. This integration enables users to access Lightning Network capabilities with ease, fostering wider adoption and usability. Let's take a look at some of the exciting real-world use cases enabled by the Lightning Network. Micropayments. The Lightning Network makes it possible to send very small payments, which is ideal for microtransactions like tipping content creators or paying for goods or services online. Point-of-sale payments. The Lightning Network can be used to make payments at physical stores, just like a credit or debit card. Peer-to-peer payments. The Lightning Network can be used to send payments directly to other people without the need for a third-party intermediary. International payments. The Lightning Network can be used to make payments to people in other countries without the high fees and long wait times associated with traditional international payment methods. Cross-chain payments. The Lightning Network can be used to make payments between different blockchains, which could enable new applications like decentralized exchanges and remittances. These are just a few of the many potential use cases for the Lightning Network. As the network continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. With all the advantages discussed, it's essential to be aware of potential risks and vulnerabilities. One such risk is the possibility of a fraudulent channel partner attempting to cheat their counterpart by broadcasting an outdated channel state. This is known as a channel closing attack. To mitigate this risk, users can opt to regularly monitor their channels and close suspicious ones promptly. In the end, we believe Lightning Network represents a groundbreaking solution to the scalability challenges faced by popular cryptocurrencies. By enabling instant and cost-effective transactions, it opens up a world of possibilities for crypto enthusiasts, businesses, and content creators alike. As the technology continues to evolve and gain traction, we can expect to witness transformative changes in the crypto space. That's all for now. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and insights on all things crypto.